have a real AMG with the legendary V8 engine. The sportiest SL ever. 585 horsepower and 800 Newton meters. The car is brand new, but already dirty like a used car. So let's make it shine again. The result will be amazing. Here we go. As always, I am going to show step by step how to turn this AMG into a new car. After the last detailing video, many of you wanted to know how I cleaned the interior of the Ferrari, so I will also show you how it works and which products I use. So let's start with the first step, the car wash. After I spray the wheel cleaner, I wait about a minute, then I rinse the rims with a high-pressure cleaner to remove most of the dirt. The wheels already look much better, but they are still dirty, so I then use snow foam and various brushes to make the rims absolutely clean. The wheels are now as good as new. Now it's time to clean the paint. Just like the wheels, most of the dirt must be removed first. Therefore, always start by spraying the entire vehicle with a pre-cleaner. This will dissolve all the dirt and allow it to be easily rinsed down. This is very important before washing the car with a wash mitt, otherwise the dirt will scratch the paint. The paint is now ready for the foam wash. I always use a lot of foam, which further reduces the risk of scratching the paint. I regularly answer questions on Instagram, so if you want to know something, feel free to send me a message. The last time a few of you asked me on Instagram whether it is possible to drive off straight after washing because the wind would dry the vehicle. I would strongly advise against this because on hot days the water dries on the paint before you move the car, which creates lots of water stains that you can't remove anymore. Just take a good, thick drying towel and you'll get the whole car dry in 5 minutes. But it's important that you dry the door frames and rims too. What a beautiful car. The exterior of the AMG is now absolutely clean, but it will be even better after I polish and ceramic coat the car. But before that, it's time for the next step. The interior cleaning. The Mercedes is only a few weeks old, but the customer parked the car with the top down, so there is dust everywhere. I use the Tornador to deep clean the interior and remove all kind of dirt. The interior looks almost like new again. Finally, I removed the last specks of dust. But I have to be very careful with the shiny black parts, as these can be scratched very quickly if you clean them the wrong way. That's why I always use new brushes and microfiber cloths. All right, all fabric surfaces, the leather, the steering wheel, the shiny parts and buttons. Really every detail is now perfectly clean. Now it is time for the next step. The paint correction. The paint only has a few fine scratches, so I'm only going to polish it in one step. This way I can remove all the small defects and increase the gloss level. Afterwards, the AMG will look even better than new. Wait until the end, then I'll show you some before and after comparisons. For smaller parts, I use the PXE80 from Flex. This machine has a lot of power, and you can polish all areas with it, and the best thing is that you can change the attachments very quickly. It's time for our last step. The ceramic coating. For this I use the products from G-Technic. After putting some ceramic on the applicator pad, I apply it to a small area of the paint and wait about 2 minutes before wiping it off again. And now, check that out. Look at that beautiful shine. Not only does it look amazing and transforms the look of the car, but it also protects the paint. It is water and dirt repellent, very easy to clean, and all of this lasts up to 5 years when you add a second layer. Of course, the windows are also coated. This ensures that you always have a clear view, and it is much easier to get rid of insects. After all the paint is coated, I also take care of the details like the emblems. Parts like the license plates, the grille, and the exhaust are also protected with a ceramic coating. So before I show you the incredible result, I hope this video was helpful and entertaining for you. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, finally it's time to see the result. I'll show you some before and after comparisons.